Hello, how are you? Today we're going to talk about the first lesson, which is talking about Egypt. Right now we're going to move to the identity card. We're going to start with the capital and the largest city for Egypt, which is Cairo. Then we're going to talk about the main cities in Egypt, like Giza, Alexandria, and Port Said. There are a lot of rivers in Egypt, but the most important one is the Nile River. When we're going to talk about the Independence Day for Egypt is in February 28th in 1922 from Britain. The government system is republic. We have a lot of main resources in Egypt, for example, oil, lead, cotton, and others. The currency in Egypt is Egyptian pound. If we're going to talk about the religion, we have Muslims and Coptic Christians. And the language is Arabic. Egypt is a country that bridges the continent of Africa and Asia. Right now we're going to move to the climate of Egypt. The climate of Egypt is characterized by a hot season in summer and moderate season in winter. Along the Mediterranean coast, as it's also humid. If we're going to talk about the rainfall in Egypt, is moderate and it decreases in the southern area of the country, and in many desert locations it may rain only once in several years. For most of Egypt's history, the majority of the population was rural and agricultural. For that reason, a lot of people lived in urban areas as a result of migration to the cities in search of work. Egypt is a republic governed by a president nominated by the lower house and is elected by popular referendum for a 6-year term. The president names the prime minister and the council of ministers or cabinet to implement the government's legislative decisions.